How to add the volume slider control on the lock screen on the iPhone running iOS 18. Now by default, this is not turned on. So you can see here on my phone, by default, the volume slide control is not available. So let's see how you can turn it on. So first we swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, we scroll down and tap on audio and visual. Then in here, tap on always show volume control, switch it on, then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now lock your phone and go to your lock screen. And in here, you can see now I can control the volume directly on my lock screen. It's useful if you are charging your phone and while it's charging, and if you want to quickly control the volume on your iPhone, you can do so directly on your lock screen without having to use the volume buttons up here, or without having to go into your home screen. So that is quite handy to have it always turn on available on your lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.